Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable and use eye tracking on iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, you will see second option is accessibility, so click on accessibility. Now here scroll down, you will see eye tracking, so click on eye tracking. So first of all, turn on eye tracking button. So after turn on eye tracking button, show eyes on camera, and you will see after 5 seconds you will see, so showing face on the screen and camera. So you will see it's worked properly. I think so. After few seconds showing screen and eye tracking work properly. You will see. If you want to just scroll down, and go to back, you will see eye tracking is work properly. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable use eye tracking on iPhone 17 Pro Max. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.